Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit and cut different parts of the audio file using Shotcut app. Let us open Shotcut. Create a project name as audio file 1. Then we will open the audio file which we will edit. After opening the file, we will drag it to the playlist, and then from drop-down menu of timeline we select Add Audio Track. Then we will drag the chosen audio file which we want to trim from playlist to the starting point of audio timeline. Be careful to place it in the front as we want to hear track right from the beginning. Let's suppose we want to remove the first 15 seconds of the audio. Just place the play cursor to the 15-second line and click the split at playhead icon, and it divides the whole audio into two parts, one from the first 15 second and another after that. You can copy or delete each part as you like it. Happy editing.